Hello guys, this is Usman from eTutor9. This is the first part for the practice session test of was were. Now let's move towards the test.
Question 1. The night dash growing dark. Answer is A. Was. Question 2. I dash a brilliant basketball player. Answer is A. Was. Question 3. The students dash taking test. Answer is B. 1. Question 4. James, as well as Elise dash excited to hear the news. Answer is B. 1. Question 5. He dash not abusing us. Answer is A. Was. Question 6. Who dash was knocking at the door? Answer is A. Was. Question 7. Lucy and her sister Jennifer dash getting ready for the concert. Answer is B. 1. Question 8. Alex dash playing video game when her father entered the room. Answer is A. Was. Question 9. How dash you cooking food? Answer is B. 1. Question 10. Who dash making a noise? Answer is A. Was. Question 11. Where dash you last night? Answer is B. 1. Question 12. Dash they playing football? Answer is B. 1. Question 13. Dash it drizzling last night? Answer is A. Was. Question 14. My brother dash not a killer. Answer is A. Was. Question 15. Smith and Johnson dash computer engineers. Answer is B. 1.
So guys, did you like the test? If you like the test, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get our latest updates instantly.